Yes, hello everyone and welcome back for another tutorial of my vlog. And to this video is I'm going to share with you what I did in uploading Korean drama on my Facebook page. So if you don't know where you can find this where to download Korean drama, so I just need to share with you where and how you can download this Korean drama. So first, you need to go on your browser, any browser that you have, and then you need to search this. So I just put here the link on the screen so you can see. And if you already type it, just click on it, and you need to wait. So if you already click, just wait and then search Korean drama that you want to download. So it's pretty easy to download. So just follow my step here, and if you want, you can check my previous vlogs so you can see where I download the drama series. Okay. So if you are new and you like my video uploads, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as well, and so you'll be updated for my upcoming videos. So if you want to ask questions regarding how can I edit them, or and what application I am using, just comment down below so I could help you and answer your questions. Okay. First is you need to have your Facebook page. You can upload this Korean drama. After you create, you can download this Korean drama, yeah, and then you can upload it on your Facebook page. So at the end of the video, I will share with you what did I do, and I will show you also my Facebook page that I uploaded Korean dramas. So sometimes it won't work, but mostly that I have uploaded there is have no copyright claim. Some of it have copyright claim, but I just delete it and edit again and then re-upload it again on my Facebook page. So this one is not 100%, but if you want to follow my step, you can. So this disclaimer, this is based on my own experience only. So if you want to follow my follow the procedure that I will share with you, you can follow if you want. Okay, so yes, first you need to edit the video. So this is the first one. If you downloaded already the Korean drama that you want to upload, you can edit the video. Guys, you need to download this application that I'm using for editing this Korean drama. So you can find it in the Play Store, but if you want that there's no watermark, you can follow my step where you need to download this KineMaster without watermark. First, you need to go to your Google Chrome and then search this KineMaster mode application 2021 4K. So this one you can directly install it in your phone. So this one has a full package. So there's, if you edit the video, there's no watermark on it, just like the one that you can upload in the Play Store. So first, yes, if you already have downloaded a Korean drama, so let's jump it into the mobile phone. So the application that I'm using for editing is this KineMaster. You can download it also on your on the Play Store if you have, and then if you want that there's no watermark, you can download it also on the Google you can search it on Google, this KineMaster without watermark. Okay, so first, if you don't have this KineMaster, you can also, I have one editor that I'm using for editing also is UCut. So this one is, you can download it also on Play Store. So this is free. This editor has no watermark. First, you need to open your UCut application, and then open, and then you need to type new project. So in this, you need to search your download Korean drama. So right now, what I'm uploading for today is this I married an anti-fan 2021. So this Korean drama just launched last this January, I think. Yes, this is previous drama. See, this one is still this episode is still ongoing. So first, you need to select the drama that you want to edit. So what I'm editing now is this. So first, you need to trim the video. Okay, just click the trim and then cut, and then trim. Just remove this intro of this drama. Okay, and then second that you need to do is you need to get only some of the clips. So what I'm doing is you need to cut this Korean drama. Yeah, you can cut it until 7 or 10 if you want, 20, as long as you will not upload all of this one. So okay, I will cut the video until 7 minutes only. So I will get some of the video here. Okay, 7 minutes, and then after that, you already cut the video, and then the next step that you need to do is you need to increase the speed. So the speed is 1.1. You need to increase a little bit. Okay, and then after that, you can put a background. So first, you need to create a background for this one, and then what I'm using here is 4.3. So click the color, what color you want. So I'm using black background. So why I'm using this black background? So it's more, so this one it will change the original size of the video, so we can so it's not that easily to recognized by the owner. Okay, so and also you need to speed up a little bit the video. All right, so I hope you can follow my step, and then after that, you already edit it. You can change the effect a little bit. So I think no need, just stay like this. This one should be okay. So yeah, that's it. After you put the background, after you speed up a little bit the video, you can save this video. Save. So you can see the quality of the video here, high quality. You can select. So this is the quality of the video. So you can select now, you can save. So just wait for it. So I will come back shortly, and then just wait for it for the video to convert, and then after that you can directly upload it on your Facebook page. Okay. Alright, so yes, I will try to upload another one of my on my Facebook page so you can see, and I will show you how many views I have already. And this one, it will continue every day. I have followers. Some of it is from different country. I never post my Facebook page. I just uploaded it and then just put a tags on it. So if somebody watch my videos before, they can see, they can be notified on my other videos that I have been uploading. So yeah, I hope you learned something here that that you didn't see in this YouTube platform. So I can share with you guys this idea that I have, and I hope you will like it. And please, if you do like my content, just comment down if you want to suggest anything, if you want to ask something for me that I can I will be happy to answer those questions. Okay, so yes, I already done. So first we need to go now to our Facebook page so we can upload. Okay, so yes, this is the proof. This is the proof that I am uploading Korean dramas on my Facebook page. So I got a lot of views already. Some of it have a higher views, 11k, 34,000, 8,000, 15,000. So as you noticed on my uploads, I have increased it, the minutes that I've been uploading before, but now I have to make it a little bit less. So yes, this is it. Just I uploaded a video also yesterday, and I have a 96 already views my new upload. Okay, and thank you guys for watching and for supporting me always on my YouTube channel. And I will update you what is the process on of this Korean drama that I've been uploading. If I get the copyright claim or somebody will take down my videos, I will update you also so that you will know. Okay, so yes, I hope you learned something new again, and thank you as always, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and then see you again on my next tutorial of my vlogs. And have a good day everyone, and God bless. Thank you.